this chapter, we are going to learn about one of our favorite thing. Can you guess? Correct. Food. We are going to learn about different types of food and where does it come from. Chapter 10, Sources of Food. Are you ready?
My father came back home very tired. Mummy made tea and asked me to get some biscuits for him. I asked her how biscuits would help him to get rid of his tiredness. She told me that food gives us energy. Energy is needed for our body to work. What does food gives us? Food gives us energy and help us to work throughout the day. What does food gives us? Food gives us energy and help us to work throughout the day. Children, we get food from two sources, plants, animals. In chapter 5, we learned that plants are our green friends. We eat different parts of plants. Do you remember that? Parts of plants that we eat are roots, stems, leaves, seeds, fruits, flowers. Roots. The roots that we eat are carrot, radish. The roots that we eat are carrot, radish. Leaves. The leaves that we eat are spinach, mint. The leaves that we eat are spinach, mint. Seeds. The seeds that we eat are corn. The seeds that we eat are corn. Stems. The stems that we eat are potato, sugarcane. The stems that we eat are potato, sugarcane. Fruits. The fruits that we eat are apple, mango. The fruits that we eat are apple, mango. Flowers. The flowers that we eat are broccoli, cauliflower. The flowers that we eat are broccoli, cauliflower. Vegetables and fruits have vitamins and minerals in them. They are protective food. What are protective food? Food that protect us from diseases and help us to remain healthy are known as protective food. What are protective food? Food that protect us from diseases and help us to remain healthy are known as protective food. Do you know, children, some food can be eaten raw and some food need to be cooked. Food that we can eat raw are cucumber, tomato, carrot. Food that cannot be eaten raw are rice, potato, pumpkin. Children, always wash vegetables well before eating to remove dust and chemicals. You can fall sick if you do not do so. So children, before eating, wash vegetables well. Cereals like wheat and rice are rich in starch. They are a good sources of energy. They give us energy to do daily chores. So children, cereals are good sources of energy. Pulses like moong, urad and chana are rich in proteins. They are essential for growing children like you, as they help to build and repair damaged body parts. So, pulses are essential for growing children, and they also help to build and repair damaged body parts. Nutrients. What are nutrients? Vitamins, minerals, starch, proteins and fats are called nutrients. What are nutrients? Vitamins, minerals, starch, proteins and fats are called nutrients. Once again, what are nutrients? Vitamins, minerals, starch, proteins, fats are called nutrients. Balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? A diet that contains all nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet. A diet that contains all nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? A diet that contains all nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet. Milk is a complete food. It contains calcium, proteins, fats and vitamins. Milk is a complete food. Why milk is a complete food? Milk contains calcium, proteins, fats and vitamins. So, it is a complete food. Children, we get vegetable oil from plants like mustard, groundnut, coconut and sunflower. These are rich in fats which provide energy and warmth to our body. Spices. What are spices? Spices are parts of plants that add flavor, aroma and color to food. What are spices? Spices are parts of plants that add flavor, aroma and color to food. What are spices? Spices are parts of plants that add flavor, aroma and color to food. Examples: pepper, clove, turmeric. Children, do you know it is healthy to eat salad, fruit and whole grains? They contain fiber that helps to digest food. They also help to remove the undigested food from the body as waste. We get sugar from the stem of sugarcane. We get sugar from the stem of sugarcane. We get tea from the leaves of the tea plant. We get tea from the leaves of the tea plant. We get coffee from the beans of the coffee plant. We get coffee from the beans of the coffee plant. Leaves of plants like tulsi, neem, eucalyptus and mint have medicinal value. We use them to cure different ailments. Ailments means diseases, illness. So, we can continue this chapter in the next class. Hope you understand. Next is our activity.
Children, we can make food corn. Take blank paper, a white chart and make a corn like this way. You can make a corn. Can you see? You can make a corn. Can you see the corn? And with scissors, level the bottom portion. So that we can keep the corn in one place. After that, stick here with gum. Can you see the corn? This is our food corn. You can write here or any side. Food corn. You can write food corn in any side you like. I wrote here food corn. Can you see? Food corn. Now stick the pictures in all the sides. These are the pictures of food items. Can you see? Now we can stick in this corn. You can make small or big corn as you like. Now we can stick on the top. Now we can stick on the top. See children, this is our food corn. Can you see the food corn? Like this way, you have to make food corn and upload the photo or video. Hope you will do this activity. Home task, read the textbook, do the activity and exercise. And also write the answer the following in notebook. See you in the next class. Thank you.
Purnodaya Vidya